get rich.
Today we're going to find somebody to make some money with online.
You can take this $10 bill and get internet real estate.
I'm going to show you how to make millions today.
Is there anybody here who's done so much volume online that people are coming to their house, knocking on their door like because you sold out?
What I need you to do is
What?
help me internet marketing.
Traffic already running.
That's from that one ad.
Now what are you going to do tomorrow?
Go to the nearest internet cafe.
A lot of the time looking at an attendee report on an iPhone may not be good enough. Look, he's got some arrows.
Or if you go to the supermarket and someone walks up to you and they say, "Hey, I've seen you on YouTube."
Oh my God. I follow like all your courses.
Check this out, right?
Why didn't they show us in high school how to make millions on the internet?
So do you make money off when the people you send links to send links or no?
No.
Just one domain name and you are good to go.
Beautiful.
Imagine if someone just abandoned their car with the keys in it.
You gonna make commissions? Yeah. All right, change the world. Cure poverty.
You wish you could press the income button? No pension, no vacation pay. And then you're told you can make money online.